Welcome to the VeriPic Evidence Pad tutorial to upload files to the Digital Evidence Manager. To upload your files to the Digital Evidence Manager, tap the menu at the top left and choose Upload. Tap the red Upload Evidence button to upload all of your files. Go back to the Home, tap the menu button on the top left and choose Home. The Evidence Pad gallery is now empty and your files are all in the VeriPic Digital Evidence Manager. We hope that you have enjoyed your Evidence Pad training. Please contact us through our website at www.veripic.com if you have any questions or wish to expand your system. If you need to talk to us, please call 888-VeriPic. That's 888-837-4742. Thank you.